Hawaii. I think this time, kailangan nyong maranasan yung LA. Gusto nyo ba yun? Two flames na! Woo! Finally! I think, let's go. Pakita na natin. Okay, let's go, New Flames! Yan!
So for our new blooms, these songs are Bini songs. Yes, sa lahat ng bagong song. A dream come true for Bini.
Sana the coconut nut.
Yes!
I hope it's the coconut nut and the cocoa tree.
Yes, Coach!
Sana, tita ba? Naku, what do you want?
Nakukunak na!
Who you are? Ano to? Bakit kailan ba natin release to? We released this song first album. Yeah.
Born to Win album.
3 years ago? 4 years ago?
It's years ago.
Be who you are.
And I'm gonna sing it. Guys, if you want to sing with me, please do. Let's have a karaoke session! Wala! Sumalo mo to! Ay, magkakasabay! Be who you are. Shine like a shining star. Let's celebrate. Cause it's a new day. Let's celebrate. To your life.
We can make it if we give up. Spread the good vibes.
Let's go!
Be a day. The world is opening up. It's time for a ride. Let's rise to the top. It's up to the top of the earth. Yeah. We are shine like the sun. We'll be here with you and make the whole world out. We are shine like the sun. We'll be here with you. We're gonna make it work.
Live vocal. Grabe, sorry Ate Aya. Gusto niyo pa ba? Parang hindi ko Gwen na yan.
Sana Ate Aya ko
Feeling ko feeling ko hindi
Joanna.
Di ba? Di ko Pita Pat. Oh my God. I think it's Pita Pat. Or 8. Paro-paro. 8. Or Infinity. Pat. Ay, Pat. Pat. Ay, 8. Yan, duet ni Ate Colette. Napagod isang ikot pa. Yes! This song is dedicated to Ate Colette. Ate Colette wrote this for the 8 of us.
Lahat ng to sa atin nagpapatibay sa bawat alaala atin itong iaalay. Inakala ko lalong ibigay ang puso. Inakala ko hanggang dito na lang hinto. Ngunit ako'y nagkamali. Isip ng balas ay hindi maikupli. Magkayabang tungo sa ating pangarap. Mga tao ay akasika ng tagumpay.
Okay na?